Kwa ihinda thirikari ikoretwo ikiorotwo ni unyihu wa irathi mathukuru-ini na gucungereria muthianiriro munene wa arutwo ta thukuru wa Mwiki Primary uria uri na arutwo makiria ma 4,000, thukuru wa Roysambu Primary uria uri mwena wa Zimmerman na thukuru wa Olympic mwena wa Kibera gatagati kaingi.
Members from the
Na omothe Minista wa Githomo EZEKIEL MACHOGU auma mbere ya Kamiti ya Senate igi githomo gucokia ciuria uria thirikari ireka niguo arutwo matige kuhihinyana mathukuru-ini.
This student to sit like this, 4 students, 5 students in one desk. How do I learn? How do I perform?
You still have to come up with a criterion on how to who to move where. And I think where they live would be the best way to determine.
Agicokia ciuria ici Machogu augite thirikari iri mihang'o-ini ya kuongerera irathi na uho mibango iriho ya kugura mbathi cia gukuaga arutwo magithie na makiuma thukuru kuona aciari aingi matire na uhoti na nikio matwaraga ciana ciao thukuru iria iri hakuhi nao kumana na garama.
As a standard is 1 to 50 in primary. As a standard is 1 to 45 in secondary. But that is the ideal. The real situation in a number of schools where you come from is different. We cannot be able to sort it out in a day, but progressively this is where we want to be.
For Mwiki, the biggest challenge is expansion. Where do we expand to? Especially the land issue is the main thing. And I think we need to put effort to ensure that we get an extra land.
No na gutuika Machogu ni eguteteire ministry no na njira ya kuga thirikari ni ongereire kigina gia CDF kuma ciringi milioni 130 nginyagia milioni 200 niguo mahote kuongerera irathi. Amemba ya maugite ministry ya githomo ndibatie guthukira ateti mawira mayo.
Why is the ministry relegating its duties to members of parliament? Yet you know members of parliament are politicians.
Machogu athiete na mbere kuga thina uyu no uninirwo kuma riria ciana iraingira nathari kuria thukuru ibatie kuoyaga arutwo kuringana na irathi iria mari nacio. Oho Machogu akiuga thukuru iria iri kaunti-ini ya Nairobi gicunji kia 69 hari igana giacio ni thukuru cia andu kiumbe iria ugite no nginyagia ithurimwo kuona imwe ciacio itikinyanirie ikiro.
Today we formed some kind of task force on our chairperson, which in 1 month time we will also be able to know the status of these private schools.
Amemba ya no mashakaite gutiganirio kwa imwe cia thukuru cia arutwo aria mari na mawathe ta thukuru wa Lianikiva uria maabitha githomo mathirwo guthie thukuru-ini uyu na kuthurima.
Go and see where those children are sleeping. You will shed tears and do something immediately. They eat food which is put down. Unapata cabbage put down there because there is no kitchen, no dormitories, no toilet.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwirori.